Hi, this is Mr. Callan. I just want to point out a few things that you'll see in your Canvas grade reports, help you identify what they mean. So if I'm looking at a grade summary for term 3, I can see some status labels here, such as late and missing. If something is missing, it's going to indicate that I want to get it done and need to get it done as soon as possible. So I'm going to talk to my teacher about that. If something's late, but there's a score in there, that's indicating that it was turned in at least online or maybe manually after the assigned date. It is possible that the teacher applies a late penalty, but that's what that would be there. If you believe that either of those is an error, you can talk to your teacher and they can manually adjust it as well. Under the score category, if you see a dash, that means it doesn't currently have a grade. It's not counting for or against you, but just be aware that you could end up getting a 0 in there. If you see an I icon, it means that your teacher either has hidden or has not submitted a grade yet. So the teacher hasn't posted the grades yet. You've submitted something. You're just waiting to be graded. If you see an EX, that means that you are excused from that assignment. You don't need to turn it in. Otherwise, you'll see numbers or percentages or some other type of score listed there in addition to what it's out of. One other thing I wanted to point out is that you might see some colored symbols at the end, or perhaps some percentages, depending on which plagiarism detection tool your teacher uses, whether it's VeriCite or SimCheck. If that's the case, that's referencing your plagiarism detection score. Red is not a good sign. Red means that there's high percentage of probable plagiarism that's been detected. Green is better. Yellow is kind of in between. So that's just an example of the types of things that you'll see within the grade report. Hopefully that clarifies some of the things that you'll encounter and you'll have fewer questions. Thank you.